Okay, for number 87, what I would do first is I'd probably simplify here first. Yeah, I'd probably simplify this first. So what I would do is I would take 4 square root of 2 minus square root of 49. Oops. Times the square root of 2. And this becomes 4 square root of 2 minus 7 square root of 2, which would give us negative 3 square root of 2 squared. So if you multiply this times itself, negative 3 root 2 times negative 3 root 2. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. And square root of 2 is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 9 times 2 is 18. So that's your answer for this one.